All right, everybody, welcome back. Here's the deal. If your resolution this year is to break the pattern of that yo-yo dieting and stop the vicious cycle of weight loss and weight gain once and for all, well, my next guest has a perfect solution to end your weight loss struggles and help you get healthy. Please welcome back my friend and creator of the Dherbs Full Body Cleanse, my partner, A.D. Dolphin.
Hey!
All right, A.D. New year, you're gonna hear this resolution. I'm gonna get rid of some of these unwanted pounds. I'm gonna do it this year. Why are so many people prone to these yo-yo diets?
Steve, the real reason why people are so prone to these yo-yo diets is because they haven't made a true commitment to losing weight. They haven't changed their lifestyle. And that's where the Dherbs Full Body Cleanse truly comes into play because of the fact that not only is it gonna help you change your diet for the future, but it's also gonna help you with those cravings that tend to pull us out of that healthy diet.
Now, recently you helped a woman who had struggled with her weight for years. Tell us about her.
Her name is Nicole. She's a former model, a mother of two. And after her second kid, she couldn't get the weight off. And a lot of people tend to go through this. So she gave us a call. She wanted to try something completely different that she's never tried before. We told her, look, the cleanse is easy. All you have to do is commit to the process. And I'm excited to see her results today.
Well, let's take a look. Let's see what Nicole looked like before. Okay. Are you ready to see what she looks like now? Nicole, come on out. This is a transformation. You look great. How do you feel?
You know, Steve, I just lost 53 pounds on the Dherbs Full Body Cleanse.
Really?
And I feel like absolutely incredible.
Well, you got everybody's attention now. I need to put the picture back up.
Wow, it's amazing.
All right, now, A.D., explain how the Dherbs Full Body Cleanse is different from other diets.
Well, the reason why it's different is because, look, you're not gonna have to calorie count. You know, there's no math involved. There's no weird concoctions that you have to drink. You don't have to starve yourself. You can eat as many fresh fruits and vegetables as your heart desires on this cleanse. Also, our herbal formulas, which are 100% natural, down to the capsules themselves, which are vegetarian. Look, our cleanse doesn't just focus on your colon. It focuses on your entire body. That's your gallbladder, your heart, your liver, your colon, your spleen, your lungs, your kidneys, your adrenal glands, your blood, and your skin. And more importantly, Steve, our results. We're talking about weight loss between 10 to 30 pounds with one cleanse, a huge boost in energy, stronger immune system, mental clarity, your favorite.
For you doing this full body cleanse, how was it for you psychologically?
You know, it was definitely a journey. Because like AD said, I had my second son. He's 9 now, so it's been 9 years that I've been doing multiple, like every diet you can think of, right? Literally. And then eventually I just made it a goal for myself that I wanted to lose this weight, be done with it so I can feel good inside. Because I feel like there's so many other women out there that you have kids and you gain weight and it's difficult to just drop it like you want to. You got to put in the work. And I will tell you this, after doing 2 cleanses, I dropped the 53 pounds and I'm able to sustain by continuing to eat mostly raw and, you know, having that confidence inside is the biggest thing. And I tell you, my confidence boosted way up when I lost this weight.
Yeah. But you know, like, you know, it's 20 days.
20 days.
It's 20 days, and you can really change your life. I've done it before, and I'm telling you, you feel absolutely amazing. These herbs actually clean out your entire system, your liver, your spleen, all of this stuff. It's a really, really good program, and you could look fabulous. This woman really did a great job with that. AD Dolphin, thank you very much. Nicole,
Happy to be
thank
here.
you, darling.
Thank you.
We'll be right back, y'all.